Sometimes you know something isn't quite right, but you can't name it. You may be dealing with lingering symptoms, a medical mystery, emotional or mental fatigue, or a general sense of imbalance that just hasn't been explained or resolved. The Holistic Care Consult is designed for women who find themselves outside the window of other services and are seeking clarity from truly a whole person perspective. This is a focused one-on-one 60-minute session where we look at your health through a 360-degree Ayurvedic lens: body, mind, nervous system, emotional patterns, lifestyle, and history. Before we meet, you'll complete an in-depth intake and share any relevant information. I review everything carefully so our time together is intentional and grounded. During the consult, we identify key imbalances, patterns, and areas that need attention, and clarify where to begin. You'll leave with a clear starting point and practical next steps. This consult is not about fixing everything at once. It's about orientation, awareness, and the beginning of an inner journey toward balance and understanding.